So today we will talk about how to use in Power Automate to update a row within Excel. So first, let's create a table. Let's see this line. This row is the name. And this one is hour. And we see create a simple table. We select table as 3. And then we need to change that to a table. Okay, so we select all the cells and go to Insert, click Table. So we convert this one to a table first. Then we need change the name. I will see it's a data and the location. We change it to 2025 Power Automate. Okay. So after that, let's create Automate. We're using schedule cloud flow, and we're using the repeat every 1 minute. You can change that to 1 month or 1 week. Okay, you can. If you want 1 year, you just type in 12 months. Okay. Anyway, I will do when I doing the demo. I will using 1 minute. Okay, we create our flow, and then we add update update a row. Okay, it's under Excel business. So firstly, it asks for the location. In my case, I select OneDrive for business. Okay, and the document library is a OneDrive. Okay, and the file location is under my 2025 Power Automate, so you can see the data Excel. And the table, it will load in the table 1, okay? So from the table name, you just select the table and go to table design. It will tell you the table name, okay? And the key column, we select the name because in my case, I want to change Lisa's hour every 1 minute, okay? So that's why I select name and key value. That's I want to change Lisa's data. So the key value is Lisa. Okay, so it's under name Lisa or Amy. You can type in the exactly the same uh, format as here, and then under advanced parameter we select hour. So every hour, so every minute I want to add 1 hour to these hours. Okay. So to do that, we just go to the expression and we select add. There is no data. So in this case, we need add get rows. Uh, get a row. Okay. So it's the same as before. We're using OneDrive. Here we're using OneDrive and the file location. We're using the same file. And the table we're using table 1. And the key column using name. And key value we're using this. So we get this row and update that. Now let's go back to this one, and then we go to expression again, and we're using add function. So the first one, we want to add the hour, and we want to add 1 every minute, okay? Because this row, usually when you using get row, is the output is string. So you need to change that to integer. So we add integer here, int, and the blanket we use here. So we change this output to an integer. After that, we add 1. So we click add, it adds this expression here, and then let's save it. Then we can test it. Okay, we use the manual test, run flow. So we go to run flow page, see if it is a success. It said it is success, and then we go back to here. Before that, the value is 1. So now it's changed to 2. So we success running the update row option here. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.